of magnets. So this I got for my birthday from my friend named Vanya. It's called fridge magnets. So we're going to be making a fridge magnet today. Shape can we use? I want this shape. So I have already made a fridge magnet. So this is the fridge magnet I already made. This is my second time making it. So let's make it. For this glue, we set some of this colored sand. We have two colored sand, seashells. So let's start. So for this I'm just going to take this glue and I'm going to just put it all over this. I'm going to try to put some sand on this. Just on this line. I'll put a pile of sand here. Just move it. Now I'm going to take some more glue. And keep on opening the wrong thing. I'm going to take this. This is like a lip balm glue. I'm going to put it all over here. In the places where there are no glue. Just gonna put it there. There's the cap. Yeah, some sand got on this glue. Just gonna close it. Now the rest. I'm going to take the blue sand. Let's try to open it. Last time I taped it, so I'm trying to open it. It just won't open. Let me get some scissors. You got the scissors and I'll just snip. Tape. Oh, good. Got the tape out. I'm just going to place it over here. There's a lot of empty spaces. Well, that's okay. So I'm going to put it with seashells. These seashells came with a set, and I did not find these in a beach or from Amazon. They came from the set. I'm going to take this. I have a bunch of seashells here. Let's take it and, oops, of course, need some glue. Some glue over here, extra spots. Now we'll have to put a lot of seashells to cover this glue. I have a black seashell. Some of these seashells looks like this, like a snail shell, whatever you call that. I'm putting it all on the boundary of it. For now, I'm just putting it on where I've put the glue. I put glue in random places. I'm going to put it on these extra spots. I'm going to fill every extra spot with seashells. Oh, I have an idea. I can also sprinkle some sand on the seashells. Just do that with seashell which got some glue on it. Now just place it. I'm putting it everywhere where I put glue so that it covers up without using the sand. And I want many seashells to be on this too. Now, we use a lot of these seashells and they're getting less. So let's use some of these seashells. Just placing it. Looks a little odd. Like there's just a bunch of normal seashells and then these golden seashells. Also looks like a unicorn horn came in. A bit simple. I'm going to take some more glue and place some seashells on top of the sand. And place one in the middle. Place one just here. Yeah, there's glue on my hand. Well, that's okay. I just wash it out later. Just put in seashells. Seashells everywhere. That's a big one. I'm not filling everything with seashells without doing anything. Everything is seashell. Sprinkle. Look, I did a mistake. That was not my description. I'm going to put some of these seashells back in the set. In the bag again. And this thing. Doesn't this look like the one we're doing right now? You see it. So now we're going to let this dry. And meanwhile, we're just going to cut out the magnet. It's a small magnet from the magnet sheet. This set also comes with the magnet sheet. But this set doesn't come with instructions to tell you what to do at first. You have to be yourself and do all the creative things you would love to do. It's so this magnet, so I'm going to put some glue on the other side of it. which is an outside lump. Okay, there we go. Okay, maybe do this. Just get this crustiness. There, now I have a lot of glue. I'm just going to put it on top and press. It's stuck, it's stuck. There's some magnets that just will not stick. And I have to fix that. So I just removed the magnets. I mean the seashells. Okay, it's pretty much dry. Oh, yep, I'm wrong. Yep, I'm 100%. Now I'm going to let this dry. Meanwhile, I need to fix this immediately. It just broke. A dot there. The place here. All this is going to dry and the blue will look like it just vanished. I'm just going to clean everything up. So here are the fridge magnets we made. So this is the one we made today. This is the one I made earlier. Here we have all the magnets. This planter is also a magnet. And the best friend's magnet is also a badge. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.